tonight, an LSU initiative to help the environment while also celebrating Mardi Gras. News 2's Gabby Davis has more on a unique project that combines both. Gabby.
Sarah Gray graduate student Alexis Strain says the lab has been working on making Mardi Gras more sustainable since 2016. In August of last year, for a project, they thought, what would happen if they tried to do 3D printed beads? These aren't your typical Mardi Gras beads.
So one of these is made with PHA, and this is a compound that's made and produced by bacteria. And because it's made by bacteria, it can be broken down by bacteria. We also have another model that's made with PLA. So this version we are currently still working on and testing. But this is one of the more commonly used filaments in 3D printing.
PLA is also known as polylactic acid.
These are derived from corn stalks, essentially. So rather than being from a petroleum source, they're from a plant-based source.
The twist is that all of the beads contain seeds that people can take home and plant. The seeds also help break down the beads itself.
For example, these PHA beads have pea seeds, and they recruit different types of bacteria that then speed up the degradation of these beads.
About $25 million worth of Mardi Gras beads are thrown away each year, and only a small portion is recycled, according to the Audubon Nature Institute.
These traditional beads, they're often made of petroleum products. They're not environmentally friendly, and they often contain things like heavy metals, and these can get into the environment and cause harmful effects.
LSU graduate Alexis Strain says they plan to make it available to the public so they can 3D print their own beads, and are talking with 3D printing farms about mass production.
So from this point on, how far we get and how many beads we make really depends on funding, so how much we're able to scale up our production from what we have now.
They hope the beads will be ready to be thrown at next year's Mardi Gras. Sarah Gray.